and welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to activate Rogers Mastercard online. If you are looking for a way to activate your new Mastercard for Rogers Bank, then this video is for you. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To activate your Rogers Mastercard, first, make sure to open up a web browser of your choice on a computer or mobile devices. You can also open up the Rogers online banking application from your smartphone to activate it online. In the web address bar, type in rogersbank.com and press enter on your keyboard, and this will take you to the official webpage of Rogers Bank. Rogers Bank is a financial institution in Canada owned by Rogers Communication. It is also known for its co-branded credit cards, specifically the Rogers Platinum Mastercard and the Fido Mastercard. To activate your Mastercard, you'll need to first log into your online banking account. Click on the Sign In button appearing at the top right-hand corner, and you'll end up in the Sign In area. If you've not enrolled into online banking yet, you can simply click the Register button at the bottom and first create yourself a new account. If you already have an account, enter your username in the first text box. On the next field, provide a valid password. If you don't remember your password, or if you've forgotten your username, you can get help by Forgot Password and Recover Username. After filling in your username and password, click on the Sign In button. Once you're signed into your account, you can look for a button that says Manage Your Card and then click on Activate a Card. Enter your Mastercard's information in the text boxes and click Continue in order to activate your new Rogers Mastercard online. That is the way how you can easily activate your Rogers Bank's Mastercard. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.